What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from today's video, we finally got an exhaust for Nautic's E92 M3. So if you guys have been watching the build, you know that he's actually been needing an exhaust for a long time. It sounds like shit, right, Nod?
It sounds like crap. We need a louder.
Yeah, we're actually in like Bakersfield right now, on the way to, I believe, Palmdale or Lancaster, California, to pick up a Magnaflow exhaust for his E92 M3. It popped up on Facebook Marketplace and we just hopped on it fast. It's obviously dark outside right now. We just filled up the good old Nissan Frontier right now with some gas. Shout out to Nautic for that. But yeah, George is with us too. Say what's up, George. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up the exhaust today, and then hopefully within the next few days we'll get it all installed. So without further ado, I will catch you guys when we're ready to pick up the exhaust. We picked up a few snacks right here. We got some chips, some lemonade and shit. Well, we actually hit the road technically already. We drove like freaking 2 hours already. Or Nautic drove 2 hours. We got like another hour drive until we're there. So let's go pick up that exhaust.
Please stand up. Please.
1.1 miles. Turn right. South Chester Avenue.
East steady knocking, middle of the stage, got the whole club rocking.
Alright guys, we're actually going to be pulling up in a few minutes, in like 5-10 minutes. I'm probably not going to record us like picking it up or anything like that because I don't want to make it weird with the seller or anything, but I'll show you guys the exhaust once we pick it up and get it in the car. Alright guys, we just picked up the exhaust. We actually got a really good deal on it, right, Nautic?
Yes, sir. Shout out to Tot.
Yeah, we only paid $400 for that thing. I'll show you guys once we get back to Fresno because I don't feel like getting out of the car right now and just showing you, but
We'll just get out right now, bro.
In the middle of the intersection, I'm just gonna get out. No, but I'll show you guys once we get back to Fresno. It's actually a really nice and clean exhaust, so hopefully it sounds good, which I think it will. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when we're back in Fresno. Alright guys, so we just made it back to the shop. Sorry for the horrible lighting, I didn't turn on that side light, but here is the exhaust that we went ahead and picked up. It is a Magnaflow catback with all the brackets and everything needed to go. The only thing we need to do is transfer his exhaust hangers onto this. But yeah, other than that, they actually look really nice. It's got some nice tips, slanted as well. But yeah, I'll give you guys a better look at it when we're ready to throw it on. But it is late right now and we're gonna call it a night, so I will catch you guys tomorrow. Alrighty guys, we're back at it again with another video. We are going to pick up some bolts to get the brackets to fit on the exhaust. We got Todd over there, we got little Chloe over here chilling. At the moment, we're waiting for our friend Mahed to come so then we can dip out together.
What have you been telling the good people?
The good people of YouTube, I've been telling them that we are back at it again with another video.
The good 300 people of YouTube.
Hit that fool, bro. Hit that fool.
Man, fool, you think I won't go close with them?
Test me.
You don't want to play chicken, buddy? Get that shit out of here. I don't want it in my street.
You don't play chicken with someone's car that's worth $4 grand. I will fuck your shit up.
Hey, I only paid $1,000 for this shit and $260 a month.
Mine's paid off.
Mine's a lease.
I own mine.
I have insurance.
So do I.
Let's hit each other and get the insurance money.
This is on camera. This is not good.
This is fraud.
Let's go.
Park the car.
Cut. Hey, my hair.
How you doing,
How's it going, brother?
What up, brother? How are
Hey,
you?
brother.
Hey, brothers.
Brethren, we are on the way to drop off this Maral in the trunk. And then we're gonna pick up some bolts.
We gotta pick up bolts for Nautic's exhaust.
Yes.
From Home Depot. We gotta steal them. I mean, buy them.
Somebody woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
I only wake up on one side.
How much was the discount, Tot?
Free 99.
We did not steal anything, guys.
Yeah.
Everything was paid and accounted
Everything
for.
was paid for and accounted for besides 2 things.
We just made it back to the shop. I'm gonna get you guys like a before sound clip and like a flyby or two before we start throwing the muffler on the car. Go ahead, give it a quick startup. Did you hear a car start or?
It turned on?
It's a Tesla.
I thought that was a Prius.
Go ahead, give us a little rev and then go out and do a flyby. Yep, still sounds like ass.
My Lexus is louder. My stock Lexus is louder than the V8.
This car looks so good though, especially under like this gloomy lighting. When you're punching it, it's not bad. It's not bad.
Horrible.
It's not horrible.
After like 4,000 RPM, you
Yeah.
do something. Can you give me like 65 RPM? I'm tired of 4,000. Can you give me something, please?
I like taking care of it.
I understand you. We just
Pull this shit inside. We gotta change it. Sounds gay.
Yeah.
Or it sounds ugly, I mean. Alright guys, I don't know if I showed you guys well enough the other day, but these are the exhausts, the new exhausts. Obviously they're used, but hopefully they sound pretty good. They're MagnaFlows. All we have to do is, well, that's why I went to Home Depot. We actually got these hardwares that go on this bracket and hold the 2 exhausts together like that way. I don't know if you guys got the idea, but that's basically it. We have to use his stock hangers that are on the original exhaust, like right there and right here. And yeah, it should be an easy install. So hopefully everything goes well. Alright, we're gonna go ahead, jack the car up, and then, well, that doesn't sound right, huh? We're gonna jack the car up and then take the original exhaust off.
Not make sure you jack up the car right.
Alright, exhaust is finally off. It actually took a few minutes to get off, but we got to transfer these hangers over to the new exhaust. But before we do that, we're going to give it a quick little start.
George,
Start it up.
do the honors.
I don't think it's going to be that loud.
Not that loud.
It has 4 cats and 2 resonators. Give it a little rev. It's not bad. Alright, let's transfer those hangers over and get that new exhaust back onto the car. Alright, the new exhaust is on.
It's even more quiet than what he
It's gonna be quiet.
electric. Sounds electric.
It looks good though.
Sounds better.
Oh, it's way deeper.
It sounds better.
Well, it's also because
Bro, I love the way it looks.
It looks sick.
It looks f***ing sick.
It has the
That shit looks so
You
good.
better keep that shit
Yeah.
polished.
The sound is way deeper, guys. You're not gonna be able to tell on camera, obviously, but
Tell them to come here and listen to it. You can't hear it over there.
There goes ahead, yeah.
Okay, we're looking for some runs tonight.
hey, who wants to run it?
Which cabby wants to run it? hey, full stock. I mean,
I could push my E30 faster than this shit.
okay. We're definitely going to Madera tonight. Madera Rancho, here we come. customers.
That's just loud. Way louder than what it was. Oh la la.
So Max over here.
Customer cars got A1 service here.
Now the customer needs tires.
Well, you're in luck.
He thinks he's on a nerve.
Mud, is that what you call a flyby?
I would call that an
Yeah?
appropriate flyby, yeah.
You can tell the difference between Todd and I.
100%. There was no question about that.
I wasn't passing 6,
This
bro.
guy's not trying to get past 4,500 RPM. Todd's over here chilling at 6.
Okay, my turn.
Not bad.
Let's take some interior videos.
It definitely needs those resonators gone though. It'll make it sound way nicer.
That's way deeper.
So much better.
Oh yeah, bro.
Hey, it sounds better. It opened up more. Hit it.
Well, that brings us to the end of this video, huh?
Yes, it does.
What do you think about it?
it? That's what I think about it. Thank you. Just freaking sexy.
Quick little hour job.
Just want to say shout out Tot for refining the exhaust, lowballing the fool, and installing it.
Yeah, we only paid
Tot.
$400 for this exhaust.
Hold on, one more thing.
But
Don't forget to check out the new business, Alpha Motorsports, correct?
Motorworks.
Motorworks, Alpha Motorworks.
When what?
You let Todd change a bulb on your car.
A bulb? At least I know how to change bulbs, shithead.
was an automatic transmission.
Oh shit. No, it's the blinker fluid, bro. They didn't change the blinker fluid. Alright guys, well, that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. Are we gonna make it louder? I think we should.
Maybe not. We'll have
I think we should, because we got an extra mid pipe anyway. I have like an extra E92 M3 mid pipe at home, so I think we're gonna take the resonators off that one and throw the mid pipe on this car and maybe make it a little bit louder. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video where that's what we're gonna be doing. But without further ado, comment down below what you guys think about the sound of the car. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.